Today I was running near my local Apple store and I randomly bought Powerbeats Pro 2, Apple's latest sport earbuds for working out. This video is my honest review of this interesting product. Spoiler alert, I'm returning this product to Apple. Why? Find out in this video. If you want to support me, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start the video by unboxing Powerbeats Pro 2. The box is made from recycled material. These earbuds are compatible with both iPhone and Android, so it's rather an interesting product. Let's see what's inside. Well, I don't expect the unboxing experience to be very exciting, but still, let's make it for the purpose of this video. The box feels a little bit cheap, but whatever, it's just a box. You know, sustainability, stuff like that. Let's open the box. Inside we have this big plastic case holding Powerbeats Pro 2. Let's open the case and have a quick look on them. It looks interesting. I like it. My first impressions are rather positive. Inside the box we have some paperwork, useless information, Beats sticker, free Apple Music, technical specifications, whatever, and we've also got 5 additional ear tips. Unfortunately, I don't see a charging cable, but since this case can be charged wirelessly or via USB-C, I can use my existing cables, but still at $250 you expect at least a little charging cable or something, but you know, unfortunately, that's how it is today. My first impressions are rather positive. The build quality is okay, although I had some issues in the past with Beats products, but these feel very good. I like this color, it's like stone or something like that. I don't like flashy colors, that's why I decided to choose this neutral color. Let's quickly compare them to my AirPods Pro first generation. As you can see, AirPods are a little bit smaller. The pairing process is super easy, just open the case and you will see this pop-up window. It's similar to other Apple products like AirPods Pro. Usually the pairing process is very smooth and easy, so no problems here. While pairing, you'll see a few pop-up windows about new features like heart rate, noise cancellation and so on.
2 hours later.
I decided not to lose my time and started testing them right away, so I went on a quick run. Again, my first impressions are rather positive, no problems, but there are some details and let's talk about them. Well, basically, Powerbeats Pro 2 are copying a lot of the features from AirPods Pro 2. They share the same components like the H2 chip. Both earbuds have active noise cancelling and transparency mode, so it's almost the same experience. Although this new generation of Powerbeats Pro 2 adds a heart rate monitoring. But if you have an Apple Watch, you already have heart rate monitoring, so this is kind of pointless, at least in my case. Powerbeats Pro 2 are also officially compatible with Android devices, so if you're using an Android device, you'll have a Powerbeats Pro 2 app. Apple says that they've conducted over 1,500 hours of rigorous testing with nearly 1,000 athletes. The result, Powerbeats Pro 2 is our best fitting headphone ever. And yes, indeed, I can confirm that the fit is okay. And knowing that they've added 5 additional ear tips, there's really zero chance not to find a perfect fit with these earbuds. Now let's talk about the heart rate sensors. Unfortunately, the Powerbeats Pro 2 can't play music while tracking heart rate on gym equipment. I know it sounds silly, but you have to choose. Either you want to listen to music or track your heart rate. I'm not an engineer, but I think it's a major design failure, because if I want to exercise, obviously I want to be able to listen to music and track my heart rate. Obviously I want to do them at the same time, and if I have to choose between one or second option, well, I would just prefer to keep my Apple Watch. Besides that, no problems or particular issues. The wireless charging case works just fine, the battery life is okay. Apple claims up to 45 hours of battery life, and throughout my testing I can confirm these numbers. I'm just a little bit disappointed because of the audio quality, especially comparing them to my AirPods Pro. The sound is okay, it's not bad, but it's like, I don't know, I still prefer the sound quality from AirPods Pro. Powerbeats Pro 2 is sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, so you can go as hard as you want to even in the rain, snow or heat. Although I can do the same with my AirPods Pro, I never had any issues when running in rain, snow or heat. And this is one of the main reasons I'm returning them to Apple. It's just because AirPods Pro are so good, I just don't feel a need to have a second pair of earbuds like Powerbeats Pro 2. Essentially, they share the same internal components with my AirPods Pro. Okay, let's say you don't have AirPods Pro and you're looking for a new pair of earbuds. You can easily find AirPods Pro 2 on Amazon under $200. So why should you pay more money for a product that has less features? It has no sense, right? Unless the AirPods Pro Fit is not good for you. In this case, you can try Powerbeats Pro 2. In any other case, please don't buy Powerbeats Pro 2. You'll be disappointed, especially if you already have AirPods Pro. Verdict: the Powerbeats Pro 2 is essentially the same product as AirPods Pro 2. They share the same internal components, pretty much the same features. It's the same product from Apple, but in a slightly different form factor. The only difference is, this ear hook, so the fit is better and it's more secure. So if you have issues with AirPods Pro, you can try Powerbeats. Why not? Personally, I never had any issues with my AirPods Pro Fit. They never fell out from my ear, even when running, jumping or exercising. I was expecting the Beats product to have a superior audio quality to AirPods Pro, but unfortunately it's not the case. Also, I don't like the Powerbeats Pro 2 case. It's too big, it's plastic, it feels very cheap, not very solid. From my perspective, this case is too big for my usage. I don't know why I was not convinced by Powerbeats Pro 2 design, features, sound quality. I would even say I'm a little bit disappointed because we've been waiting for this product for over 2 years and finally it's just a copy of AirPods Pro 2 in a different form factor without any additional features, without any sound improvements. So maybe that's why I'm a little bit disappointed. So that's why I'm returning Powerbeats Pro 2 to Apple. And by the way, you have 14 days when you can use the product, and if you don't like it, you can bring it back to Apple. Just make sure the product is clean, not damaged, you have the invoice, and you'll get your money back. That's what I will be doing this evening. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Peace.